spring is finally in the air. The birds are chirping their merry little tunes. The bees are pollinating flowers like every spring before. And Supreme, with its finger on the pulse of humanity like always, is delivering what we need most. Some hardcore winter gear.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we're going to talk about Supreme's Week 5 drop. It's North Face Week! I'm not going to lie to you guys, at this point, this may be one of my least favorite drops I've ever seen from Supreme.
Give me an L!
If this doesn't tell you right here how bad of a week is, chapstick, the #1 item on the Supreme community. Before I pull my hair out trying to pick 5 things that I could even remotely think about buying from this drop, please make sure that you get entered into the 750 subscriber giveaway. I will be doing the drawing on March 27th. It's this Sunday, people. Make sure that you take a look at the video up here or in the description below on the 750 subscriber giveaway. You just need to comment "that's my bag" on the video. So at this point, just make sure that you're a subscriber, comment on the video, and my plan is to do a special live stream this Sunday, and I will do the drawing live on the stream. We're doing it live! That's right, no backdooring in this store.
I'm gonna punch you in the ovary.
Alright folks, let's get into this travesty of a week. I'm so sad, I'm crying. Is Supreme dead? This week it might be. I think it's possible to lose money if you just wake up and look at the site this week, so it might be the week to just sleep in and stay away. But if you're just a degenerate junkie like I am and have to get on the site every week, here are the top 5 items I guess you should maybe look at. Alright, this really is a hard list, so I'm just gonna start with number 5. I'm gonna throw these hats. That's right, these 3 hats. Why not? They're hats, they're cheap. Personally, I think the ATV 6 panel is a neat, unique little hat. I don't really see it flipping for anything, though. You probably can't go wrong grabbing a black Codora-coated camp cap. Those things generally appreciate pretty well over time. And I guess the best of all 3 is this fade denim jacquard crusher. It'll probably sell out. I really just don't know the crusher market this year, I guess. But it definitely resembles that inset stuff that came out a few weeks ago that did really well, so it's worth a gamble if you gotta buy something. And for the number 4 items this week, I'm gonna go with the only 2 things that I would recommend out of the North Face collaboration: the long sleeve shirt and the backpack. Those are really the only 2 items I can get behind because the retails are decent. The North Face backpacks traditionally do really well in black, and I kind of think that blue colorway looks really good. And the long sleeve face mask shirts are supposed to be $98. If that's the case, I can get behind those as well. Boone talked about how he liked the camouflage of this collaboration, and I actually kind of agree. I think it's pretty good camouflage for Supreme. Even though I say that, I would stick with black if you're looking to flip these. Black is always the most wearable color, and it's always going to be the best one. So just go black, biggest size you possibly can. And my number 3 item of the week is going to be this brushed grid cardigan, specifically the darker colorway. I'm not all about that Easter lifestyle. These items tend to do pretty well as a hold, and if you hold them until next season, you should easily be able to make $100 off of these in the bigger sizes. And now for the number 2 item of the week. You know what? If the Supreme community likes it that much, fine. Chapstick. Number 2 for me. It's just chapstick. Just cherry chapstick. If you can sell it locally, then yeah, it's a pretty good buy. Say you're in school, or maybe the folks you work with are into this stuff. I can see people dropping $10 or whatever on these. It says that it's coming in a pack of 3, so if they allow you to buy multiple packs, I would buy as many as you're comfortable with. Local sales 100% the best in these. So if you don't have a group of folks that you can sell to locally, I would just be looking at this for the personal, because any fees and shipping associated with selling these online would completely eat away at any profit and just not make it worth it for you at the end of the day.
You stupid bastard, you've got no arms left! Just a flesh wound.
And here we go, the number 1 item of week 5, nothing. Absolutely nothing. F this week. I'm going to bed. I'm out of here. See you later. Good night.